Oh no, what happened in the kitchen? What are you doing, Anne?
Shh! Tom, I'm preparing a surprise for Mom and Dad.
Anyways, what are you making?
I'm making tomato pasta.
Wow, how do you make it?
First, boil water in a pot and put pasta noodles in it.
Here's your pasta noodles.
Oh, Tom!
Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me clean it up.
Phew! What's next? Oh, I need to slice mushrooms, onions, and broccolis into small pieces.
Oh, Anne, you should be careful with the knife.
Thanks for your concern, but I can't focus on it if you keep walking around the kitchen. Please stop.
Freeze!
Thank you so much. Now I need to stir-fry vegetables.
Anne, until when do I have to be like this?
Until the end of this cooking.
Phew.
Tom, don't move. And sprinkle some salts and peppers on the sauce. It's sweet, so delicious.
Anne, is there anything I can help?
Never. So now pour noodles, vegetables, and sauce in a fry pan and stir it.
Let me add the parsleys. Ta-da! It's done!
Let's role play.